So I'm walking around that warehouse. While I said I can scan an employee and see their training via Unifize, I can turn to my left and see an ingredient with a little QR code on it and see its release status, see its test, see its supplier, see what products it goes into. I could do that right now, and something that would normally take people hours, I literally could do in 3 minutes.
If we go back and we look at some of our historical data, when internal non-conformances, we were probably averaging 4 to 5 weeks. Through the Unifize analytics, we're already showing that our average time to closure in that first month is now 7.2 days. And that's a 75% improvement.
Unifize puts it all together at once and then connects them end to end. Communication breakdowns fell away. Unnecessary meetings and unnecessary emails and unnecessary phone calls went away. I don't have to even open another screen or another app or another program. I can get everywhere in my process, everything about this bottle, everything that went into it, I can get there at any point in the process.
Parts get received, a lot process is created, so we can also keep the certificate of conformance, the material certs, all of those important pieces of paper that are super easy to get lost. The traceability of being able to say, okay, I have this lot of this part connected to part and the non-conformances, or tracing that into different assemblies. And so when you have a huge robot, you can easily see the different parts that went into it and trace through and see the inspection data for every single part that goes into that one product.
I won't have to sit at my computer for 3 hours running quality reports because it'll automatically run those reports themselves. Like as soon as you enter that part, like the scrap value and everything is already totaled up. We're getting it down finite on the dollar, which is, I think, important.
The important thing is to catch it at the time it's coming in and not after the fact when you've already cut something. Because once you've cut something and it's wrong, it's our material. You can't go back on the vendor then and expect a payment.
All of our specials, work orders and stuff that we're going to be updating weekly, because we never had a good way to quantify how much a special costs or how much a part costs that isn't completed, because we would always scrap out parts as a completed part.
Now Unifize allows that all in one grouping, so you can go in and find that.
In my opinion, reduce the amount of confusion of where something could be, and it definitely got the piece of paper out of people's hands.
The little bit of paper we do use now has a barcode. You scan that with your phone, takes that individual right to the discussion within Unifize. You know exactly what's going on with that part that's in your area and what you need to do with it.
Because Unifize has this high visibility of everything, everywhere, all the time, all at once, it's impossible for people to not acknowledge what we've done, how we've increased throughput, and what used to take days, weeks, sometimes months, is seconds and minutes.